Hello, my name is Rohan and I am going to tell you the basic feature of Windows 10. I have just upgraded my PC from Windows 8.1 to 8.1 to Windows 10. It's very good. It has got UI and very good stuff other than Windows 8.1. So let's start. First thing, when you upgrade to Windows 10, then you have got the tile-like method in the start menu itself. This feature I'm not comfortable with, so I want to deal with this. How I will deal with this? I want this in a 8.1 tile-like method. So how to do this? Press right click, go to personalize and click on start. Turn on this option, and once you turn on this option, then you will get the tile is as in a Windows 8.1 style. This is a feature which I like. Now, another feature is that you can affect changes for the tile. This colors. When you choose any one of the colors, it will be the default desktop background colors, like this way. When you choose this option, these colors, when you choose any one of these colors, it gets affected in the tile, in the start menu and in the desktop also, as you can see. When I select any one of the option, it gets added to the tile menu, like this, as you can see, like this. I don't like this. It's very normal, so I will change it to some decent color. Or you can turn this option on so that the Windows will automatically choose an accent color for your background. Now the other option is lock screen. This picture allows you to change your lock screen pic when you turn on your system. By default you will get this picture on your lock screen. You can change this by selecting any one of the pic, or you can browse for more options by clicking on the browse options. Now, the next is themes. You can select the type of theme you want. By default, Windows 10 has these three themes. You can select any one of these. You can get many more themes by clicking on get more themes online. When you click on this theme, the themes menu will be, you will be redirected to the themes web page where you can download themes, whichever you want. Like there are many more themes which you like: panoramic, branded, plants, movies, games, art, and many more. You can select any one of these and install. When you install, it gets automatically added to these menus. As you can see, I have selected some of the themes. When you click on the themes, it gets affected on the texture. Your desktop background changes according to your theme, and you can change the desktop every second you want, and it gets changes every 10 to 15 seconds. Another option is start it. When you make changes in these options, your start menu gets changes. I have selected these options so that it will automatically show suggestion in the start menu. It will show me the most recently apps used or the most used apps by me. The start options, as you can see here, most used apps, most recently added apps will show you the recently added or the recently downloaded apps in your start menu. Like this, I have recently added this app, so it is showing me the app. uh, this option I have explained before. Now this option will show the recently opened items in the jump links or start or the taskbar, or when you recently what the apps which apps you have recently opened, it will show on the start menu or the taskbar. Now I will come this on this later. Now the another feature of Windows 10 is that Windows 10 has Microsoft Edge as its default browser, unlike from Windows 8.1, which has Internet Explorer, which has upgraded from Microsoft Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge. It's pretty fast than any of the some of the other browsers, and it also fast is also fast than Internet Explorer. There are some of the top sites which is included by default. Now if I search anything, according to me, it's very fast than the other browsers. Now the another feature of Windows 10 is that you can search or select any of the file folder by typing your file name or the folder name. It will also show the recent news that the world that is happening in the world. Now it is also known as Cortana. For example, I search for calculator. It is showing me this. And now I can do any mathematical or logical operation using this calculator. Now the now you can, when you right click and select display settings, you see a number of settings in your system that you can change. The first option is display. Now this option will change the size of your text or the apps or any other items or the things that you have in your PC. You can change it like this way, or you can reset to default. You can change the orientation from for portrait, landscape, full. I select a landscape, and you can